Are you unknowingly adding extra pounds to your look with simple style mistakes? Today we're diving into those common fashion pitfalls that can sabotage your silhouette. Together we'll uncover how to refine your wardrobe choices so you can always look and feel your best. Let's get started. At times, when you leave your tops untucked, it can create a boxy, undefined silhouette that adds unnecessary bulk to your frame. Instead, try tucking in your tops to define your waist and create a more streamlined, flattering look. Even a simple front tuck can make a world of difference, giving you that polished finish without sacrificing comfort. Remember, the goal is to highlight your natural shape and let your confidence shine through. Let's talk about the second mistake: pairing a loose three-quarter sleeve top with wide leg or flared jeans. Now, while both pieces can be stylish on their own, this combination can be tricky. The loose top, especially with those three-quarter sleeves, can create a bulky appearance around your midsection and arms. When you pair that with wide leg or flared jeans, it can make your overall silhouette look heavier and less defined. So, what's the fix? It's all about finding the right balance. If you're wearing wide leg or flared jeans, opt for a more fitted top that defines your waist and avoids excess fabric around your arms. You could also go for a top with shorter sleeves or one that cinches at the waist to draw attention to your shape. By keeping the top more streamlined, you'll create a more flattering silhouette that accentuates your figure without adding unnecessary bulk. Let's talk about one common mistake: pairing a horizontal stripes top with wide leg or flared jeans and then layering it with a button-down shirt, especially if you're plus size. Now, while stripes can be stylish, horizontal ones can broaden your frame. Combine that with the volume of wide leg jeans and the added layer of a shirt, and you've created a look that's more bulky than beautiful. But don't worry, there's a simple solution. Instead of going for that striped top, opt for a solid color that elongates your torso and creates a streamlined effect. If you love stripes, and who doesn't, you can still wear your striped top, but consider layering it with something that offers waist definition. This will help create a more balanced and flattering look, accentuating your curves in all the right places. When choosing between a slim belt and a medium-sized belt to tie over a cardigan, the medium-sized belt generally creates better waist definition. Here's why. Medium-sized belt. This belt offers more coverage and structure, cinching the waist more noticeably. Its width provides a more pronounced contrast between your waist and the rest of your torso, enhancing the hourglass shape and drawing attention to the waistline. It also helps anchor the cardigan, preventing it from shifting and maintaining a more tailored silhouette. While elegant and subtle, a slim belt may not have the same impact on waist definition. It offers a delicate touch, which can be lovely for a softer look, but it won't create as strong of a cinching effect. On a thicker or heavier cardigan, the slim belt might get lost and fail to emphasize your waist effectively. Now let's talk about the fifth mistake: wearing a boxy top with loose-fit jeans. You might love the comfort of this combo, but it can end up making your silhouette look a bit too relaxed, adding unnecessary volume where you don't want it. But don't toss that top just yet. Here's a simple trick to make it work: layer it up. Adding a tailored jacket or a sleek cardigan or even a structured vest on top instantly brings shape and balance back to your outfit. This layering technique creates a more defined waistline and adds that touch of sophistication while maintaining the casual vibe you love. So, the next time you reach for that comfy, boxy top, just remember, a little layering goes a long way in keeping you looking stylish and sleek. Now, front pocket pants might seem like a staple in your wardrobe, but they can be quite tricky, especially if you have a curvier figure or an apple-shaped body. The extra fabric and stitching around the pockets create bulk right where you may want to streamline, making the midsection appear wider. This is particularly true for those of us with a larger tummy or fuller hips, as these pockets draw attention to the very areas we often prefer to downplay. So, opting for pocketless designs or styles with minimal detailing in the front will offer a smoother, more flattering silhouette, allowing you to focus on showcasing your favorite features instead. Remember, the goal is to feel confident and comfortable in whatever you wear. Have you ever paired a bold, statement long-sleeve top with wide-leg pants? While both pieces can be stunning on their own, combining them might not be the most flattering choice, especially if you have a fuller bust or broader shoulders. For those with an apple or inverted triangle body shape, this combination can create a top-heavy appearance, making you look larger than you are. The volume on top, combined with the width of the pants, can overwhelm your frame. My solution? Keep that fabulous top, but opt for one with a V-neck design. The V-neckline will elongate your neck and create a more balanced look, drawing the eye downward and giving you a sleeker silhouette. This simple adjustment can make a world of difference in enhancing your natural beauty and showcasing your best features. Let's dive into our 8th mistake, wearing loose-fit or bulky tops like a sweater with pleated pants. Now, you might love the cozy feel of a chunky sweater, but pairing it with pleated pants can create a visually heavy look that tends to add bulk, especially if you're already conscious of some extra pounds. This combination can overwhelm your figure. So, what's the solution? Try pairing those fabulous pleated pants with a fitted, lighter top. Why does this work so well? A fitted top helps to balance the volume of the pleats and accentuates your waistline, creating a more streamlined, flattering silhouette. This approach ensures that the pleats get the attention they deserve without adding unnecessary bulk, and keeps your overall look elegant and put together. Now, I want to have a heart-to-heart about something really important: dressing for the body you have right now. My goal is to help you embrace and celebrate your current self, not the body you wished you had or the one you used to have. You see, dressing for the body you have is empowering. It's about acknowledging your unique shape and highlighting your best features. When you dress in a way that reflects who you are today, you radiate confidence, and that's the real beauty. So why should you dress the way you want to be addressed? Because your style speaks before you do. The way you present yourself to the world sets the tone for how others perceive you. When you dress with intention, in a way that aligns with how you want to be seen, you not only feel better about yourself, but you also command the respect and attention you deserve. But here's the thing. Sometimes it's the small, simple mistakes that can undermine all your efforts. Maybe it's pairing the wrong top with those favorite pants, or choosing a color that doesn't quite work with your complexion. These little details might seem obvious, but they can make or break an entire outfit. So, as our journey through the world of fashion, beauty, and grace comes to a pause today, I invite you to like and subscribe so we may continue to walk this elegant path together. Until we meet again in the next video, stay radiant, stay elegant, and let your inner light shine brightly.